Everybody dead? Okay, oh nah. Oh nah, my man's still. We gonna chainsaw first, chainsaw, let's get it! Let's get it, let's get it! Okay, guys, bro, this shotgun's kind of trash. Alright, come on, come here, buddy. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to Resident Evil Requiem. Guys, in case you missed the last episode, we continued our journey as Leon venturing through Raccoon City and trying to make it to the Raccoon City center. So at the end of last episode, we arrived in this general area and we realized that another team was actually here and that they were trying to essentially use a bomb to blow up a wall to be able to progress through. They left behind some parts for us to actually construct the bomb, so that's our objective right now. But I also want to say that like Albert Wesker wannabe dude is an absolute menace, yo. My man brutally massacred that poor squad. So yeah, we're gonna have to deal with that bozo in due time, for sure. For sure. So I believe that we actually have one part of the bomb right now. We just need to get the other parts. We need to get the fuel and we need to get something else. Okay, so the gas station is right here. So how are we going to get over here, huh? Let's see. So my question is, we need something to... It's old, but I might work with some fuel. Okay, so we need to get fuel to power this door, huh? Shoot. Wait, do I have to get up here? Looks like it'll break with a good... Oh, Leon, you better... Alright, climb up here, my boy. Let's go. Oh, okay. Okay, friends, we made it. Watch them knees, my bruh. My man's 50. Oh my. Okay, more thriller monsters here. Hey, buddy, cause it's the thriller. Okay, bro, what is up with my aim, yo? Is it me or is this game just significantly harder? It's probably just me, bro. Okay, let's head in here. Okay, get your Mr. I'm trying to be cinematic, Mr. Raccoon. My dude's out here talking about some. Get out of here, bro. All right. What is this? Scrap? Oh, snap. Bro, I almost done choked on my own saliva, bro. I was clearing my throat or I was coughing or something. I don't know. Bro, my chest hurts now. But I was coughing or something when that man jumped on... Bruh. My check, get your monkey, get off. Okay, Leon, you better stomp on this man. Oh, I thought he was dead. Okay, Leon, no, I'll go with the axe. Come here. Psychotic Michael Jackson monsters, bro. They need to relax with this, yo. Alright, what am I here for, bro? I'm here for fuel, right? Can I just get the fuel? Where's the fuel at? What's this? This is the other side. There's no power. Okay. Jerry can. Okay.
Gonna fill this up.
How am I gonna get gas though? That's the question. Can I like siphon it from a car? There's gonna be a couple cars around here, right? I don't even know if there will still be fuel in there, but I mean it's worth a shot, I guess. Oh my! Who is this bozo?
Let me guess. You must be the town lumberjack.
This man making... Oh, pick up that chainsaw, Leon. I'm about to go crazy. Who else still alive in here, huh? You? Not anymore. Okay, get me out of here. Get me out of this place. Get out. This man almost done blew up the whole establishment. Relax. Okay, calm down, sir. You need to sit down. Back kick of death. Okay, my man's still alive. You have to take him down. There we go. Okay, don't let this dude get the check. No, don't pick it up. Don't pick up. Give me. Leon, give me. Any more zombies? Oh, yeah. Oh, this whole place on fire now, huh? Oh, what y'all doing around here? Where'd y'all come from? Oh, my. Can I do another attack? Oh, yeah. Come on, just keep going crazy. There we go. Okay, put him down. Oh, there we go. Come on. I'm landing headshots, bro. Did I just get warmed up? Okay, she about to grab the chainsaw. Shotgun. This is my chainsaw, woman. You ain't picking it up. All right, is she still alive? No, she's dead, bro. Okay, just, I'm on fire. Leon! Oh my, I thought I died. Get your monkey. Everybody dead? Okay, oh nah. Oh nah, my man's still. We gonna chainsaw first, chainsaw, let's get it! Let's get it, let's get it! Come on, find me! Find me! Chainsaw me, chainsaw, baby! Oh, this man don't even fight it back! Find me! How do you do that? Okay, sniper time, sniper! Oh, my man got a helmet! If you don't pick this up, let's go. Leon, you are. Come on, bro. Come on. Bro, how many times am I gonna parry this dude? Bro? Oh my god. Oh my axle is chopping. Hold up. My axle. I'm in the fire, Leon, you in the fire. Oh my goodness, Leon, if you don't sharpen your axe right now, bruh. Hurry up, get that Western out. Okay, give me this. Where's this Barzo? Look at this man. Alright, come on, in the fire, all cinematic. Oh, look at this. Get off me. Come on. Oh my, get your monkey. So, come over here. Hey, is this man about to... And this man just put down the... Oh my goodness gracious, yo. These people are crazy! Look at the death and destruction around here, yo. What happened, people? Like, these bozos just came out of nowhere, bro. Like, how did you unlock this area? Alright, I'm not gonna ask questions, bro. Oh my... Dude, my body armor is low-key trash, bro. I might need to get the better one. Valve? Am I gonna take it? Oh, there's... I'm so stupid. Leon, you spilled like half of it, my bro. Okay, we got like a tiny bit of gas, bro. Not even that much. All right, but it's better than nothing. Okay. Oh my fire! Watch out for that, my boy. I'm better. This man done, bro. I heard my man like grunt, and I got scared. I thought I was about to die, bro. Oh snap. Okay. How do we? Okay, we gotta pour the gas in here. Okay, come on, fill it up. I'm sure my man Leon could just climb over, bro. You don't have to do all this. All right. Wasting all this gas. Look at Leon, you can climb. I've seen you do backflips, Leon, bro. Don't be acting like this is a challenge for you, my boy. All right, let's get out of here. Also, another thing, we did get a key. A container key, right? Yeah, BSAA container key. And there was a container around. Stop zooming out, bro. There was a container here. I think we gotta use that key to open it. So I don't know how we're gonna get back here. All right, let's see how many credits we get. Also, can I craft Requiem ammo? I don't think I can. 15,000. That's nice. Oh snap. Well, I'm definitely gonna get the better. It's 15k. Oh snap! But I do need it though. It is like a necessity. I don't see anything here to like craft Requiem ammo. So I hope I'm not missing anything. Yeah, because our Requiem has stayed at 0 since we fought that Spider-Man, yo. All right. Let's fill this one up. I don't know what this is gonna do. Maybe it's gonna help us with getting another part. All right, let's see. Open sesame. Excellent. What's that? Okay, we can get that later. Oh, is the part? Oh no. I know you heard those dudes, bro. We're gonna have to fight these bozos. All right, stack hand grenade. Give me. This man to my right? Oh my. Okay, nah, we going in for the stealth kill. This man blind as a bat. I mean, he has no eyeballs, so I shouldn't. Oh my. This chick finesse. Okay, no, shoot the. Shoot. Do I hear a chainsaw? Oh, nah. That's that PTSD for you. Oh. Okay, guys, bro, this shotgun's kind of trash. All right, come on. Come here, buddy. Oh, my man's about to have a headache from that. Okay, give me this. Monkey! There we go. Oh my goodness, yo. These absolute psychopaths. Who is you? Looking like a main... Okay. I'm gonna just throw this propane tank at him, yo. Leon! Okay. Oh my, that's gonna kill you, my. Look at this. I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay, wait, there's two areas here. Where does this lead? Oh, this just leads out here. Okay. So we gotta go down. My man, Leon, you better. Okay, we're. Are we in the sewers? Oh my. I better not hear no giggles, yo. Okay, are we on the other? Ooh, we might be on the other side. I don't know how my man's not dead, yo. How my man's not broken an ankle. Like, look how high. That's a like 10-foot drop, bro. A 10-foot plus drop, and my man's just eating that up. Oh my, these zombies have got to calm down. They need to calm down. You're being too, proud. I had to change the lyrics up, otherwise I get copyrighted. Bye-bye. Season Pro, what is it? 300. Oh, so hold up. How long have I been playing this game, bro? 14. Don't ask me where the time has gone, bro. I don't know. I don't know how I've been playing this game for 14 hours. I don't even think we're near the end. I think we're like barely past the midpoint. Okay. Look at this bozo. Oh my goodness, again? And the exact same. I'm about to die, bro. Okay, shotgun. I can't. Oh. Bro, if my axe wasn't reloaded on like 1 HP, I would have died there, yo. Man, I actually just suck. Alright, what is this? Come on, get through it, Leon. Does this open? Oh, okay, this just opens up that other area, so we can head back now. Excellent. But no, we're going to continue here because I think we can go to that BSAA container. And I don't see what's there. Hopefully it's worth it, bro. Hopefully I'm not wasting my time. Come on. Okay. Okay, yep. And this did indeed lead us back here. Someone behind me? What's going on? Bro, how many of these how many people are waking up now that I'm here? Oh my. Come on, throw it. Monkey, look at him, terrified. Come here. Is my man mutating? Oh, nah. Throw this. Javelin. Can I suplex? Oh, bro, they should have brought back the suplex hill. That move was so cool. Oh my man's tripping all over. He got me tripping. Alright, open this. BSAA. What's about to be in here? Absolutely nothing. Okay, cool. Come on, this better be worth it. Charm for sniper rifles increases firepower only when the scope is not equipped, bro. Seriously? When are you using a sniper when you're... Oh, bro. I mean, 8,000, that is kind of worth it, okay, but... Really, bro? I came all the way out here for a stinking useless charm and a couple of points? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I really do like Leon's character. They really portray him as like a guy that's just like fed up with this, bro. Like, my man has gone through so much for literally 30 years. Death, destruction. Even, I mean, the whole world seems like it's against him, and like everybody's evil, even the government. Like, bruh, I really feel for my man, yo. I guess that's what drives him to keep pushing. Alright, fill her up. Fill her up. Okay, no more gas. No more gas. Come on. Work, work, work. There we go. Alright, how do we... Oh, yeah, cool. Zipline time!
Alright, I can use that.
Yeah, you can. What's he doing, my man? Are you gonna use it or not? This end. Oh wait. Oh, is it like giving you like one final like? Okay, yeah. I think I looked around. All right, let's go. Look at my boy. All right, excellent, excellent. Oh boy, Willis Tower. Look at this place, bro. I'm so curious to see how the center looks. My man about to turn alive. Are you alive? Oh no, he dead. I'm so curious to see how the center will look, dude. If this is the east side and it's already looking like this. Why is it auto saving, bro? We better fight someone? And the music ramping up? Who's here, bro? Somebody here. I'm stupid. Oh my, bro. I was wandering all around here, not knowing where the heck to go. Wait, please tell me this leads to somewhere, bro. It wasn't just extra room. Oh no, it was just some extra room, bro. Oh. Dude, I'm legitimately confused. I don't know where to go. I don't know if it's me or if it's like the fact that like everything looks like, I don't know, bro. My head is starting to hurt, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I feel dizzy. You stupid. Oh, brother. Okay. Okay. Hit the thing. There we go. Come up. Okay, bro. My head is actually hurting, yo. Alright, you guys. I got some water here in my Grinch mug. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I feel like a big problem with me is that I don't hydrate enough. Hydration is extremely important, but I feel like I don't drink enough water, dude. Do you guys also experience that? Or like, okay, oh man, about to fall. If you don't, can I fall? Oh. All right, my man cannot fall. Look, I'm tilting the stick all the way to the right. He's not doing anything. Okay, watch out, bro. Watch out. Okay, that container just phased out. Okay. Oh boy, do I have to shoot this? Come on. Oh my, how do you miss that, bro? We're just gonna ignore. Okay, my man's gonna do a super jump. Come on. Super jump. Oh! Alright, another super jump. There we go. Oh my, I almost jumped all the way up. Okay, where, bruh? I'm legitimately confused, bro. Where am I meant to go?
Need to figure out how to get over there.
Over where? Am I just Okay. Well, I mean, that works. Jump. Okay. Oh, what? Is that a elevator? Got QTEs. Open. No zombies, please. Okay. Do we have to descend down there? I think so. Okay. This is sketchy, bro. This building feels like about to collapse, bro. Any second now. Hopefully there's some goodies down here. No? Really, Capcom? They usually put some goodies in weird areas like that. Oh! Yeah, don't want to get hit by that. Maybe I should have got... That's great, bro. If I was like a minute later, I would have died. Oh! Leon, if you don't, tread carefully. Tread carefully. Glass surfaces are incredibly fragile and require extra caution. However, shooting the glass, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. Alright. Hey, buddy. Have a nice trip. Oh, wait. Have a nice trip. Oh. Okay. It wasn't as funny. Okay. Can we... Oh, sit your monkey. No, sit down. Oh! Oh, my. Look at the freaking... What happened to these books? I hear a bomb. Why do I hear beeping? What I don't want to sprint on this, bro. If I sprint, I think I'll die. This man has a bomb. If you don't sit your muck, it happened again. I'm gonna throw a grenade. Grenade out. I should have seen that coming. No, I should have seen that coming. Okay, hopefully that's it, bro. Oh, you better be.
Time to find a way up.
Okay. Okay, how do we get up, bro? Just get me away from this glass, bro. Up here. Up here. No? Oh, my. Oh, up here? Come on, bro. You can climb. Oh. There we go. 200 IQ. I used the herb and still got the nest? It's about my 5th time doing this stupid area. What is this man shooting me with? This man was shooting me with a gun? Absolute psychopaths! I'm on 1 HP! Oh, Capcom, I'm gonna need a herb, please. I'm gonna need a herb.
Okay. Let's find those detonator parts.
Yeah, finally, bro. We've been doing this for like 2 hours, bro. Come on. Please tell me these stinking parts are here. Come on, grenade. I don't need grenade. There we go. Relay. Combine. There we go.
Picked up the relay.
Okay, one component left. By the way, I found some evidence of the Pentagon putting pressure on the BSA. It appears the North American branch has been moving independently.
Heard they had an internal dispute. Think it's related?
That's all I've got. There's been an increase in government surveillance. Looks like my fan base is growing.
Some things never change.
My man Leon dying.
I'll contact you again soon.
Oh, it's a save station. Oh my goodness, finally. Alright, I need to do some upgrades, bro. My man Leon about to perish. 37 kills. Oh, let's see. I'm a guess. 30,000 credits. Oh, 31. Yo. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. Alright, I have to do the... Bro, what? Are these guns better? Is this gun better? I don't know, bro. I barely use my stinking SMG. Maybe I should use that. Alright, give me the repair. Then I think I'm gonna do a bunch of upgrades, yo. Okay, give me that. We can also do a bunch of enhancements. I don't know how good that's gonna be. It's pretty much, yeah. The gal... Oh no, I'm sorry. This gun is pretty much better in every single way. So I think, yeah, we are gonna buy that. Let's sell our current gal. Bye-bye, gal. You would not be missed, hopefully. I hope. Alright, let's buy this. I said we can buy a stock and junk. So let's see. Yes, folding stock, excellent. High capacity mag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we decked this junk out. Alright, cool. Upgrades are looking good right now. Alright, let's test out our new gun. Hey buddy! Hey! Get your monkey! Oh, sit down! There we go. Okay, I kinda like it.
There's a bunch of bozos here. Hey! This man Leon done what the? Okay, the scope ready for change. Oh my gosh. Sit down. Yeah, stop that transform. We don't like transformers. There's a gun on the left! Get up, oh! Bro, I'm legitimately almost dying. Do I suck at Resident Evil now? Like, bro! Oh my, I don't ever remember being this bad. You better sit your monkey. Ah!
Oh my. Please give me another herb, bro. Oh. Dude, I don't want to use my herb now. I want to combine it, bro, because I don't have enough. Oh my gosh, yo. It's barely gonna give me like any health, so there's no point using it now. Oh my, okay, there might be a very valid point to using it now. Oh my, there might be a very, very valid point. Manager, where did I get that? Okay, I don't know when I got the manager. This man got a flaming chainsaw? Who just do it? This man is on fire! Look at this psycho! Who the... Somebody just threw a freaking cinder block at me? Okay, shoot. kidding me? I parry. Don't die. Don't die. Don't you dare die. These raccoon zombies are built different, bro. I don't know what they be eating for breakfast, but nah. Stay away from me, bro. This man almost done. If he threw that at me and I died, I would have quit the episode right there, bro.
That did it.
That would have been the end of this. Oh, is that another soldier that got finessed? Oh yeah, rest in peace, my man. Rest in peace. I will be taking your tracking module though. That will come in handy. And your med injector. All right. Turn this then. I don't know how my man plans to get down with this, but Leon's Leon. Alright.
This thing still works.
Bro, why is the music, bro? You better sit your
Now what?
Am I about to get jumped on? Oh my.
You'll have to take the next one.
Okay, these dudes are psychopaths. These dudes are psychopaths. Leon, just jump. Oh, no, you cannot jump. What's happening, bro? Why's the whole building falling down, yo? Oh my, Leon, I would just jump. Alright, the sniper without the scope is actually kind of clean. Capcom are kind of cooking with that idea. Get your monkey. Look at my man doing sidekicks in that, bro. My man's got too much swag. Oh my. Kill this dude. Bro, how many zombies are there on here, yo? Look at all. Leon, jump, bro. Leon. Oh, that would hurt the knees and the back and...
This is my lucky day.
How this man is still happy is beyond me. I don't know how. I don't know. I don't know. Man's out here cracking jokes, and he literally could have died. All right. What kind of? If you don't get your monkey, bro, where? Oh my! No, you turn your flashlight on. I'm dead. We got 20-second death cutscenes, huh? Capcom hates me with the auto saves. I even go, dude? Oh, this leads me here. Okay, this is back at this, the main place. Going down. Reach the ground using the suspended platform. Is that like a story trophy or like a actual achievement trophy? Like, were you meant to do that? Who knows? Bro, I probably have like 20 trillion points, bro. Let's see. Let's see. How many points do I have? $55 kills? Oh my. Yo, that's crazy. I'm liking the sniper rifle. I might upgrade it like 100%. Wait, standard scope. Oh, snap. Must for long range shooting, huh? Alright, let's do that. Oh yeah. Our guns are looking powerful now, people. Mad powerful. Wait, so is there no way to take off the scope now? Oh no, you still can. I actually like the no scope. It's actually like, it's good. I like it a lot. Alright, let's see. I think I have to go through here for the final part. Bro, we've been trying to get this stinking part for like 2 hours, yo. I don't even know how long I've been recording. Oh, what's this? Hear me. Whoa. What is this area? Bro, do we even explore this area? I don't even know. I think we just went through here, right? And this leads... Oh, yeah. This leads to the parking garage. Yeah, so we never actually explored this area. Alright. I'm interested to see where this is gonna rack up in terms of my ranking for like favorite Resident Evil game. So far, dude, I'm not gonna lie, I like Grace's sections a lot, yo. Like, I'm really enjoying it. And the whole Emily, like, I actually got like, I started to care about it. Lock from the other side, bruh. Wait, what? Oh, he meant to, huh? Okay, hold on. Maybe we're going at it from the wrong way. Seriously, dude, we never went in here? Oh my, that was a... Okay,
damn,
what's this?
They brought in the big guns.
Bro, this is like a whole missile? Miss me with that, bro. Okay, miss me with that. Oh, okay, so this just leads out here. Gotcha, gotcha. Bruh, is this junk? Oh, what's this? Alright, guess we're gonna go pick up a crank now, huh? How old are these soldiers? Like... Oh, my man fell all the way... Who's this? Okay, I just found the crank. You better... This man has a gun. No. No. Leon, why do you... No. Someone behind me? Oh my... Yeah, how do you like it, huh? How do you... Oh my... Okay, I didn't even mean to fall down here, but I guess it worked out. Okay, and we got the crank. Let's go. All right, we can finally use the stinking crank here. Use it, come on. Alrighty. Let us go up here then, shall we? Oh, keep forgetting my man has to actually go up. Wait, what? My brain is fried, yo. Alright. Does this open? Dude, where's the stinking part? Hold up, did I miss it? It's over here. Cranks. Huh? Don't know what that dude was doing. Alright, there should be a crank slot here. Okay. Alrighty, yep, that's going for the crank. Let's see here. Climb up here. Why'd the camera like zoom out?
That should be just up here.
Okay, thanks, Leon. Thanks for the input there, bud. Man, if you don't sit your... I see him! Hold up. He dead? Psychopath, yo! I know he's not dead. Yep. There's about to be another one. So get inside, get some cover. Where is this dude? Oh my, I don't even know where this bozo is. Hey, where are you? Oh my, that was close. Okay, can I just kill this dude? Finally. These dudes never quit, huh? They just never quit. These dudes might have been. Go grab a repair. Go grab a repair kit from container 2, the central. Got beat up during transport and we need to fix it. Oh, get your monkey. We gotta look for a repair kit. Bro, it's one thing after another, bro. Oh my. Bro, these dudes might have been more difficult than some of the bosses in this game, bro. They don't play. They do not play at all. And this man's combat theme is starting up again, bro. It's a fire theme, but I'm getting my butt whooped. I'm not gonna lie. So how do you use this thing, bro? Use this. Come on. Where are they? Look at this buzzer. Come on, you gotta like pre-aim. You gotta pre-aim. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Another one right here. Hold on, hold on. Another bogey right here. Another bogey right here. Yeah, take him out. Bye-bye, direct hit. This bozo, oh, he finessed. Then we got a chick over there. Let's see. I'm shooting blind. Did I kill her? Hopefully. Okay, the answer was no. I did not kill her. Take the stupid scope off. I'm not even gonna bother, bro. Can I just leave? Oh my, I have to. You guys can miss me with these dudes, yo. My man's tweaking. He better transform, right? Not anymore. Not on my watch. We do not have transformers around here, bruh.
Found the signal receiver. Shit. It's broken.
My man just realized that now?
Can you fix it?
Well, let's see what I can do.
Alright, where is this repair? Oh, here. It said container 2. Use the key. How many more of these BSA crates are there? A motorcycle? Alright, repair kit. A kit with tools for equipment repair. Alright, repair. Come on, repair it. There we go. Detonator. Detonator. Destroy the gate. Alright. Oh my gosh, yo. I'm about to do some upgrades and we about to end the episode, yo. How many points? 29 kills, a bunch of modules. Come on, come on. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad.